Lesson 15. We're going to do more with the C chord and the G7 chord. Quick review. Here's our C chord using treble clef, C, E, G. The G7 chord would have been G, B, D, and F, but that's too awkward, so we invert it so hand can stay in positions. We keep the G. We take the high F and put it down to a lower F. We take that B, the second note, put it way down below, and then just leave the D out. So there's our G7. There's the treble clef. That's what it looks like with the bass clef. The B, F, and G, the B, F, and the G. Then on page 38 in the book, gives us our chords again up there. But now we're just going to practice going back and forth between the chords. So let's do this one right now. So you get your hand in position. I'm going to lower my hand so you can see the keys and the fingers a little better. This is not good hand position, but it's just so you can see. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and C, C, G7, C, 2, 3, 4, C's, G7s, C, 2, 3, 4, C's, G7s, C's, G7s, C's, 2, 3, one more time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now on page 39, the same thing, except we're going to do the right hand. So we get our right hand in position. I'm going to lower it again so you can see the fingers and the keys a little better. 1, 2, 3, and C's, G7s, C, 2, 3, 4, C's, reach for the B, C, 2, 3, 4, C's, G7s, C's, G7s, C, 2, 3, one more time, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then when you get good with each hand, try doing both at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to the bottom of the page and we're going to alternate hands. So we have treble clef right hand, then we switch to bass clef left hand, back to treble right hand, back to bass left hand. And we'll do the repeat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, G7, C's, G7, C's, G7s, C, G7, C. Now we're going to turn the page. So we're on page 40 in the Alfred book. And we're going to quick review about 3/4 time, which we've just briefly touched on before. It's the time signature 3/4. The top number 3 means there's going to be 3 beats in a measure. The bottom number 4 means the quarter note equals a beat. So the most we could have is 3 quarter notes in a measure before the bar line. Then we have the dotted half note. Remember, the half note is 2 beats. The dot means we add half of that. So half note is 2 beats, half of that is 1, and then we tie them together to make it 3 beats for dotted half note. So now let's look at rockets. We have C, E, G, C, E, G. There's 2 arpeggios on the C chord. Then it goes down the scale. As we're going down scale with the right hand, left hand's going to play chords. Second line, it's the same thing. Same notes, same chords. It's going to be different dynamics. We're going to talk about dynamics more in a moment, but remember that F stands for forte, which means loud, and the P is for piano, which means soft. So here we go with Rockets. 1, 2, 3. See the difference? I push down harder when I play forte, and it's more gentle when I do piano. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so a quick review of the dynamics we have so far. We have the word dynamics, D-Y-N-A-M-I-C-S, and dynamics has to do with the volume of the music. We have forte, which means loud, and that's the symbol for forte. And we have piano, which means soft or quiet. And there's a symbol for piano. And then we have mezzo, M-E-Z-Z-O, which means medium, and it's the letter M. These are all Italian words, because the Italians were the first ones to start writing down dynamics, so they used their terms, and everyone else just followed along with that. That way, anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, when you're in a group, you hear forte, and everybody knows that means loud. Piano means soft or quiet. Mezzo is medium. So we have the first tempo, forte, which is loud. Then if you only want it medium loud, then it's mezzo forte, MF. And if the next one, which we haven't had in the book yet, is be medium soft, which would be mezzo piano, medium soft, and then piano for soft. So it's M-E-Z-Z-O, mezzo, like pizza. So if you're not hungry enough for a large pizza, you can order a mezzo pizza with mozzarella. And on page 41 of the book, they give you the forte, the mezzo forte, and the piano. And if we could slip in between the mezzo piano. So this is just reviewing the dynamics. We're going to do this first line together. So the first two measures are forte, then mezzo forte, just kind of nice and easy, then piano, real soft. Now we'll put them in all together. Forte, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mezzo forte, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, piano.